The Lotus Car 2027 represents an exciting vision of what the next generation of performance vehicles could look like, combining the legendary Lotus philosophy of lightweight engineering with modern technology, premium design, electrification, and advanced driving dynamics. Lotus has always been associated with agile handling, responsive steering, low weight, and an unmistakable sports car character, and the 2027 lineup is expected to continue that tradition while adapting to the rapidly changing automotive market. For enthusiasts who want a vehicle that feels special every time they drive, the Lotus 2027 concept is particularly interesting because it aims to balance everyday usability with genuine performance. The exterior design is expected to be one of the strongest attractions of the Lotus 2027. Lotus vehicles are known for their dramatic proportions, and the new generation could feature a low and wide stance, a sculpted body, sharp aerodynamic surfaces, slim LED lighting, large air intakes, and carefully shaped body panels. The overall design should remain focused on performance rather than unnecessary decoration. A long, low silhouette can help create a stronger road presence while also supporting aerodynamic efficiency. Depending on the specific model, buyers may see aggressive front-end styling, a sharply designed rear section, sporty wheels, performance tires, and an aerodynamic diffuser. Lotus has traditionally emphasized lightweight construction, and this philosophy is expected to remain important in 2027. Modern lightweight materials such as aluminum, composites, and advanced high-strength materials can help reduce unnecessary mass while maintaining structural rigidity. Lower weight can improve acceleration, braking, cornering, and efficiency at the same time. This is particularly important for an electric performance vehicle because reducing vehicle mass can also help compensate for the additional weight associated with battery systems. Powertrain technology will be another major area of interest. The 2027 Lotus range is expected to continue expanding its use of electrification, with advanced electric powertrains potentially offering instant torque and impressive acceleration. Depending on the model and market, specifications could vary significantly. Higher performance versions may use multiple electric motors to provide all-wheel drive and sophisticated torque distribution, while other variants could focus more heavily on efficiency and range. Lotus Performance Engineering could allow these systems to deliver rapid throttle response while maintaining the precise character expected from the brand. Acceleration is likely to be a major selling point. Electric motors can deliver maximum torque almost immediately, giving a properly engineered Lotus extremely strong initial acceleration. Performance versions could potentially reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in only a few seconds, although exact figures would depend on the final production model, battery configuration, motor output, and vehicle weight. More important than a single acceleration number, however, will be how consistently the vehicle delivers performance during repeated driving. Battery technology will also play a crucial role. A modern Lotus electric vehicle needs enough energy capacity to provide competitive driving range without compromising the lightweight philosophy that defines the brand. Engineers may focus on improved energy density, optimized battery packaging, thermal management, and intelligent energy recovery. Fast charging will be equally important because performance car buyers increasingly expect the ability to quickly recharge during long-distance journeys. Advanced battery cooling systems could also help maintain consistent performance during demanding driving. The driving experience should remain at the heart of the Lotus 2027. Lotus has built its reputation around handling, and future models will need to preserve that advantage even as technology becomes more complex. Sophisticated suspension systems, precise steering, powerful brakes, carefully tuned chassis components, and advanced electronic controls could work together to create a highly engaging driving experience. The goal would not simply be to make the car fast in a straight line, but to make it enjoyable on winding roads and demanding circuits. Aerodynamics could be another major feature. Active aerodynamic components may be used on high-performance versions to balance downforce and efficiency. Carefully shaped front splitters, rear spoilers, underbody panels, air curtains, and diffusers can help manage airflow around the vehicle. At high speeds, aerodynamic stability becomes extremely important, and Lotus could use electronically controlled systems to adjust aerodynamic performance according to driving conditions. Inside the cabin, the 2027 Lotus is expected to combine a driver-focused environment with modern luxury. Earlier generations of sports cars often sacrificed convenience for performance, but modern customers expect premium materials, connectivity, comfort, and advanced technology. The new interior could feature a digital instrument display, a large central infotainment screen, premium upholstery, sports seats, a modern steering wheel, configurable driving information, and high-quality trim materials. The driver interface should remain relatively focused despite the increasing amount of technology. A good performance car should allow the driver to understand important information quickly without becoming distracted by complicated menus. Lotus could provide selectable driving modes that change throttle response, steering weight, suspension behavior, regenerative braking, traction control, and power distribution. More aggressive settings could be designed for track driving, while comfort-oriented modes could make everyday journeys smoother. Connectivity is also expected to be an important feature. Modern Lotus vehicles may include smartphone integration, wireless connectivity, navigation, cloud-based services, over-the-air software updates, and a connected vehicle application. Software updates can allow manufacturers to improve certain functions after the vehicle has been delivered, potentially adding new features or optimizing existing systems. Safety technology will be another important part of the package. Advanced driver assistance systems may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, parking assistance, surround view cameras, and collision warning systems. These features can make a high-performance vehicle easier and safer to use on busy roads while still allowing the driver to enjoy manual control when appropriate. Braking performance should be equally impressive. Depending on the model, Lotus could use high-performance disc brakes with advanced cooling and sophisticated electronic brake management. Electric models also benefit from regenerative braking, which can recover energy while slowing the vehicle. The challenge is to integrate regenerative and friction braking smoothly so that the pedal feels natural and predictable. The suspension setup will likely vary between different versions. A road-focused model could prioritize comfort while maintaining sharp handling, whereas a performance version could use adaptive dampers and more aggressive chassis tuning. Lightweight wheels and performance tires could further improve steering response and grip. The combination of low center of gravity, careful weight distribution, and advanced suspension technology could make the 2027 Lotus extremely capable on winding roads. Practicality will depend heavily on the individual model. Lotus has historically focused on sports cars, but its modern range includes vehicles designed to appeal to a broader audience. Future models could provide more interior space, useful storage compartments, larger cargo areas, and improved long-distance comfort. This could make the brand more accessible to drivers who want performance without giving up everyday convenience. Efficiency will also become increasingly important. Electric powertrains can provide excellent energy efficiency compared with traditional combustion engines, but aerodynamic design, tire selection, vehicle weight, and thermal management all influence real-world range. Lotus engineers will need to balance performance and efficiency carefully. A lightweight body and aerodynamic shape could help reduce energy consumption while maintaining the brand's performance character. The sound and emotional character of the vehicle may change significantly as electrification becomes more common. Traditional Lotus sports cars are associated with the mechanical sound of combustion engines, exhaust systems, and gear changes. Electric models provide a different experience, emphasizing instant response, silence, and smooth power delivery. Lotus may use carefully engineered acoustic feedback to provide drivers with useful information about acceleration and vehicle behavior without trying to imitate a traditional engine excessively. Customization could also be a major attraction. Buyers of premium performance cars often want their vehicle to reflect their personality. Lotus could offer multiple exterior colors, wheel designs, interior materials, trim combinations, brake finishes, and performance packages. Higher-end versions may also offer lightweight components and specialized aerodynamic equipment for customers who frequently drive on circuits. From a technology perspective, the 2027 Lotus could represent a significant step forward. Advanced electronic control systems can monitor wheel speed, steering input, acceleration, braking, battery temperature, and vehicle movement thousands of times per second. These systems can then adjust power delivery and traction management to help maintain stability. The key for Lotus will be ensuring that technology enhances the driving experience rather than removing the sense of connection between driver and machine. Reliability and ownership costs will naturally be important considerations. Electric vehicles generally have fewer moving powertrain components than combustion-powered vehicles, potentially reducing certain maintenance requirements. However, high-performance systems, specialized tires, powerful brakes, advanced electronics, and battery technology can still make ownership expensive. Buyers should consider warranty coverage, charging access, maintenance availability, and local service support before making a purchase decision. Pricing for a 2027 Lotus will depend on the specific model, powertrain, equipment level, and market. Performance-focused versions are likely to command premium prices because of their advanced engineering, specialized materials, and technology. Optional equipment could increase the final cost substantially. Exact pricing and specifications should be confirmed through official Lotus information when production details are announced. The biggest advantage of the Lotus 2027 could be its ability to combine modern electric performance with traditional Lotus driving philosophy. Many electric vehicles are extremely quick, but speed alone does not guarantee an exciting driving experience. Lotus has the opportunity to differentiate itself through weight management, steering precision, chassis balance, aerodynamic development, and driver involvement. For enthusiasts, the most exciting question is whether Lotus can maintain its identity while moving deeper into electrification. The brand has a long history of proving that a well-engineered lightweight car can be more rewarding than a heavier vehicle with enormous power. That philosophy could become even more valuable in the electric era. If Lotus successfully combines lightweight engineering with high-output electric technology, the result could be one of the most distinctive performance car experiences of the 2027 generation. Overall, the Lotus Car 2027 is expected to offer a compelling combination of futuristic design, advanced powertrain technology, strong performance, intelligent aerodynamics, sophisticated suspension, premium interior features, and driver-focused engineering. Exact specifications may vary between models and markets, so performance figures, battery capacity, range, dimensions, pricing, and equipment should be treated as subject to official confirmation. Nevertheless, the direction is clear. Lotus is aiming to preserve its performance heritage while embracing the technology required for the future. For anyone interested in luxury sports cars, electric performance vehicles, or advanced automotive engineering, the 2027 Lotus deserves close attention. Its biggest strength could be the combination of speed and agility rather than speed alone. A lightweight, aerodynamic, precisely engineered Lotus has the potential to deliver an experience that feels different from conventional performance vehicles. The 2027 generation could therefore become an important chapter in the evolution of the Lotus brand.